Well, to talk more about this surge that we're seeing in the second wave of COVID, we're joined now by Dr. Yatin Mehta, Chairman, Medanta Institute of Critical Care. Also joining us from Mumbai is Dr. Avinash Bhondre, Senior Physician and former President of the IMA Maharashtra State. Dr. Bhondre, first to you, the situation in Maharashtra especially is very, very worrying. Mumbai reporting the highest number of cases it's ever reported yesterday. And we do know that more measures are going to be announced. There's an urgent need. While there won't be a total lockdown in the state, the government is going to announce more measures to control the crowds and ensure more protocols are followed.
Yeah, in Maharashtra the situation is really getting worse. Yesterday we had the highest number of new cases, that is it crossed 43,000, and it was really serious. And the infectivity rate amongst million is around 310 now. Anything which goes above 110 is always very risky and dangerous for the health system. It seems that there are at many places the 9 districts are affected very badly, and in these places including Mumbai, Pune and Nagpur, the conditions are very bad. The people are not getting beds for the admissions. Even for the COVID care centers, at some places the beds are not available. The oxygen availability is also going down at various places. In some places the oxygen is absolutely not, the hospitals are not getting proper oxygen. And all these things, that still the blame game is there, and because of the political situation the government is not able to take the strict decision about the lockdown. And the thinking is that they will be observing all these strict things for the strict legal thing for this COVID appropriate situation by the people, COVID appropriate behavior by the people. But still practically on the road we are not having, rather we are not observing any strict decision taken by the government. At the same time, we have to increase the contact tracing, which is still not yet increased, which was rather advised by Government of Maharashtra as 20 per case, and Government of India 30 per case, but still we are lagging up to 5 per case. And yesterday the Government of Maharashtra decided to continue the vaccination drive in a very enthusiastic way. Every week they are going to give around 35 lakh jabs, and 5 lakh jabs will be given. But still yesterday was the first day, the full target was not achieved.
All right. So an urgent need to increase that vaccination. In fact, many experts talking about how we should have taken advantage of the trough, early this year when we had lower cases being reported. Dr. Mehta, on the one hand, you have the health ministry, advising caution, asking everyone to follow protocols. You have today the chief secretary is going to hold a cabinet secretary is going to hold a meeting with all chief secretaries, etc. But is there mixed messaging from the government? Because on the other hand, you continue to have these massive rallies. You have elections taking place. You have the Kumbh taking place. How are people, to take this all very seriously?
Dargi, I would agree with you fully. I mean, there's a mixed messages. You look at the rallies going on in the where the elections are being held. I mean, there people have completely opened up. You look at the markets, where people have completely given up. Or either they're fed up or they think religion is going to protect them. I don't know. But I mean, this is not the way. We were almost winning. Now, situation is very bad. I'm told, particularly in Maharashtra, I talked to my medical colleagues there, they are getting saturated. ICU beds are now almost full. People are not getting COVID beds. And that Delhi is also seems to be heading the same way. I think this is a time to put politics aside. Just look at the crowds on your street. I mean, we must handle it on a war footing. Forget about all other politicking. Just concentrate on this. I do not see much of contact tracing. I do not see much of isolation, quarantine or containment zone, which we were doing out in a war footing where we're winning. So the whole administration in all over the country must concentrate on this, on a war footing. Vaccines will give you protection, but not now. It is a few months away. So vaccination drive should continue. I would advise everybody to take vaccine. But this contact precaution, isolation, masking, gloving should be very, very strictly implemented. See, unless there is a danda, nothing happens in this country. So I was seeing earlier when the situation was tight, how a lady inspector was hitting somebody with a stick. I know they goes against human rights, but I mean, dead people do not have rights. So this is a pandemic situation. This is a war footing. We must handle it. Everything else must be put aside. differences and politicking, but this is the only way. I mean, COVID appropriate behavior is the only way we will win this war.
Right, absolutely. And, it's the doctors and nurses and healthcare workers who are suffering right now because once again, as you're talking about, hospitals are filling up. Dr. Bhonwe, also, this mutant variant that has been found, especially in Maharashtra, do you think we know enough right now about how widespread it is? So far, the government is saying this is not behind this surge in cases.
Yeah, right from the first week of February, it was doubted that this is some new variant is there. We have been talking on NDTV also in that time, but it was neglected by the government, and they were always claiming that there is no new variant in Maharashtra or India. But after all, when the cases started increasing on 25th of March, they found that this new variant in Maharashtra, there are two variants who are double mutant. So that was a very serious thing because all the scenario was changed. The rate at which the new infections were coming up.
Dr. Bhonwe and Dr. Mehta, thank you so much for joining us on NDTV. And of course, here we continue to report about, the dangers of the coronavirus numbers going up and how COVID protocols must be followed. But as you see on the ground, the situation is very, very different. Thank you so much for joining us on the show.